Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on crafts with Michaels, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on crafts with Michaels, start by signing up for their rewards program. This program offers you points for every purchase that can be redeemed for discounts later. Next, take advantage of Michaels' weekly sales. Check their website or app for current promotions and coupons. Always keep an eye on clearance sections in the store. You can often find great deals on materials for your projects. Make sure to use any available coupons from the Michaels website or app. These coupons can lead to significant savings if used strategically. Plan your shopping trips around major sales events, like holiday weekends. Stock up during these sales for future projects. Consider joining crafting classes or workshops offered at Michaels. Sometimes, they provide discounts on supplies if you attend a class. Bring your reusable bags for added savings and eco-friendliness. These can provide a perfect opportunity to buy supplies at a lower cost. Collaborating with friends can also help you save. Share the cost of larger supplies or bulk buys to divide expenses. Follow Michaels on social media to stay informed about flash sales and special promotions. Finally, always compare prices with other craft stores or online retailers. This ensures you get the best deal possible for your crafting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.